If you've lost a loved one due to COVID-19, you may be eligible to receive financial help to lighten the load brought on by funeral expenses. FEMA offering up to $9,000 for those who have lost someone after January 20th of 2020. 500 Side's Travis Cummings has the details.
Within 4 days, she went from being stable to everything just really fell apart.
Terrell Butler still grapples with the loss of his 76-year-old grandmother, Mary Heidelberg. She died of COVID-19 in December. Luckily, finances haven't been a part of her family's grief.
I was able to utilize insurance policies and things like that to cover those costs, but there are some families out there that literally, weren't able to, bury their loved one.
Butler utilized FEMA's COVID-19 funeral assistance program, which he learned of through his friend Brandon Henry, the president of Henry Funeral and Cremation Services in South City, notifying families and helping them with paperwork.
Probably heard back from about 6 or 7 families that I know had received payments back, and it was no deviation whether they paid with insurance or they paid with personal means.
As of January 3rd, FEMA has provided more than $1.6 billion to families to assist with COVID-19 related funeral expenses. $30 million awarded to a little over 7,400 families in Missouri.
Flowers, clergy, any receipts that they have.
Here's what you need to send in: your death certificate that shows the death occurred in the U.S. If issued between January 20th and May 16th, 2020, FEMA requires that it shows COVID as the cause of death directly or indirectly, or a statement from the area's coroner or medical examiner's office. If after May 17th, 2020, the death certificate indicating COVID caused the death directly or indirectly. COVID cases are still rising, and so are costs.
But it's something that we should think about more because it's something that's inevitable.
Travis Cummings, 5 on your side.
If eligible for funeral assistance, you can receive money by direct deposit or a check by mail. To get the process started, call the COVID-19 Funeral Assistance Helpline, and that number is 844-684-6333.